What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another edition of Dad Does Videos. We are going to test this new weed and grass killer on the market. It's called Spruce. It's made by Procter & Gamble. Now, not only did I want to test it because it's a new product on the market, but it promises to be as effective as all those other products on the market that contain very harsh chemicals. This is supposed to be perfectly safe for humans, for pets. It doesn't contain any of the chemicals that are typically found in a lot of the other weed killers, grass killers on the market. One of the things that I'm really curious about is that up on top here, it tells you you are going to see visible results in about an hour. So what we're going to do, if you've watched some of my other videos on testing weed and grass killers, we're going to find a bunch of weeds in my yard, we're going to spray them, and then we're going to come back in about an hour, see what each of them looks like, and then we'll come back in another couple days and see what they each look like, just to give you that full spectrum of how quickly and how well this stuff really works. This is a refill. You can certainly buy just a bottle of this at the store with the sprayer attached. I'm going to dump this refill into my handy dandy HDX sprayer. If you don't have one of these, this has worked perfectly well for me in the past. I did a separate video on how to put this together and how to use it. If you want to click the link on your screen right now, you can take a look at that. We are going to dump this in here and go around our house and look for some weeds. All right, so as you can see, this product works really well and I recommend it. Now, it is going to be a little bit more on the expensive side than some of your other traditional weed and grass killer products. Of course, it's up to you to decide whether you want to spend the extra money for the safety of not having chemicals in the product that you use. That would obviously benefit you, the user, and any pets or any other family members around as well. Thanks for watching, everybody.